The river was named Enchanted River by Modesto Saulan, who wrote a poem many years ago called Rio Encantado about a local maiden he fell in love with. It was given a tune with music by Francisco Rio. The poem talks about a crystalline stream flowing from a hidden spring and a canopy of rich green mirrored in water-tinted blue. Many years since, the river has remained true to its color, bluer than blue.
Amen.